Welcome back, class. In this lesson, we are going to focus what we have learned so far. As you can see on my screen, there are different types of graphs that help represent data. Now we know what is bar graph, pie chart graph, pictogram, tally chart, and today our focus will be on line graph. Here, let me fix my camera. All right. So, here I have a line graph in front of you, and with the help of this frequency table, this is simple table. There are months and number of apples eating. So, this table shows us how many times in months apples are eaten. Okay, so let's solve one question here. Now using same data we are going to represent it in line graph. Now in line graph, okay, so in line graph, say for example, this is x-axis and this is y-axis, or you can name any two lines. Alright, say for example this is our x-axis which shows numbers of apples, and this is months I eat apples. So as per the frequency table here, months, we have months from 1 to 6, right? And then we have number of apples eaten. Now using same information here, these are the months and then number of apples eaten. Now starting from beginning, I have from the first month 4 apples are eaten. So this is the first month, right? And 4 apples are eaten. So I point out this data here, and it represents that on the first month 4 apples are eaten. Alright, then second month it tells me that 7 apples are eating. Now second is here, right? So second, and then I mark at 7. So 7 apples are eaten in second month. Then my frequency table shows me that 3 apples are eaten, sorry, 10 apples are eaten in third month. Okay, now let's find on month. Months are here, so we choose here third month and we choose 10 apples. Now these are the number of apples here. We choose the 10th apple, that is here, and the toppest and the highest mark is here, so it is the 10th part. So number of apples eaten in third month is highest, that is here. In the same way, it shows us that in the month of April or the fourth month, 8 apples are eaten. So let's find the fourth month and how many apples are eaten? 8. So 8, that is here. Fine. Okay, then in the fifth month, again 8 number of apples are eaten. So our month will change, but the number will remain same. That is why they are at the same plot. So in the month of fifth, or we say in fifth month, 8 apples are eaten. So it's here. Fine. Then in the sixth month, 3 apples are eaten. So when we check over here, 6th month, we mark 3 apples. This is how we work on line graph. It is quite easy. But the question is, why should we use the line graph? Well, we use line graph when there are too many changes. For example, if we have assessment every Thursday, so every Thursday you might score different grades or different numbers. Say for example, if I am going to give you 10 out of 20, and next time you might get 15 out of 20, and you keep on increasing, you might get 18 out of 20 or 20 out of 20. So your grades are changing. So that tiny changes that happens in 1 month or in one week or over a time or even one day, we can record those small changes that happens so frequently on a line graph. Line graph is used to record changes that appear very fast. Okay, so this is the line graph, and now you understand what we have, how we have used the data over here of 6 months and the number of apples that have been eating during these months. Is that clear? Thank you.